Albufeira.
Okay.
Yep, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Have a good day. Benagil. Okay, there's a booking office there. We need to go there and register. Oh, the boat is over there. It's going that side. I feel like that's ours. I think that's it. Because that's the office.
That's called 3 people missing.
They better not go without us.
Fuck with me. What's the name of the company?
What's the name?
When you stop in the middle. Look there on the other side. You see that colored building.
Yeah.
It's just under that colored building.
Under the colored building.
Segway.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Run with the phone.
Oh, there's a concert here or something. Should we come here? Oh, yeah.
Everybody on board.
Oh.
That last one.
The last one.
The blue.
Thank you. Yo. Oh well, we know. Sorry. Oh my goodness, we are very late. Oh. We made it, baby, but like it's crowded.
Hello. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Oh, you have such a nice voice. Where are you girls from?
London.
London,
My leg.
nice. Sorry?
Can we board?
Yeah, 1 second only. Please, let's go. You're welcome, my love.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh.
I feel like I'm gonna fall here.
Oh, please don't.
Trace. Good afternoon.
Hello.
3 people.
Yes.
So 2 and 1 here, okay? Why? What's the problem? Oh, you're late? It's not possible.
There's one there.
About safety, we've got the life jackets beneath everybody's seats, and also we have a small bar here with Coca-Cola, beer and water. If you'd like to have anything from our bar, or if you feel any seasickness or need any specific information, don't be shy, just raise your hands and me or one of my colleagues will close to you and explain anything that you may need. Alright guys, everybody that is using hats, pay attention with your hats because with the wind they may fly away, and if it falls into the ocean, bye-bye hat. Alright guys, any questions? All good? Yes? So guys, once again, thank you very much for coming and have a really nice day here with us. Bien, mis amigos, buenos días, bienvenidos. Yo me llamo Daniel. En la parte de atrás del barco nuestros colegas Renato y João. Nuestro paseo hoy a más o menos así. Muchísimas gracias por venir y que disfruten de nuestro paseo, ¿vale? Pessoal, muito obrigado e até já. Thank you very much. See you all in a minute. Bye bye. Thank you. Obrigado.
Ay, obrigado. That's the only one I know. Obrigado.
I would like us to know.
Parece pequeninos, já são mesmo desses buraquinhos.
Sorry. Yeah.
This one here is called Unported Benagil. Has the famous cave with a big hole on top. Sapevo la primera cueva que la próxima cueva que vamos a mirar ahora es la cueva de
What is? Harry the map. Is this where we stop to swim?
Huh?
Is this where we stop to swim?
No, we are not allowed to stop nothing on the cables.
Okay.
By
Well,
law,
if you
we are
want
not.
to, if you want to hop in there and
Turn it down.
just to get to that place.
Jeez, man.
If you want to go,
I'm good.
5,000 to each one of us.
When we
Nah.
become a millionaire, we're gonna come. What about that?
If you want to go inside, the easiest thing that you can do is go to that beach over here. They rent kayaks, and you say you take the kayak, and you can go inside like everybody else doing.
That's nice. What's called this?
This is Benagil.
Benagil.
Yes,
Okay.
Bengali cave.
What about
Oh, that's the one
what
on
about where you
the-
do jet ski?
Huh?
Jet ski.
Yeah, but with
Yeah.
jet ski, you are not allowed to go inside of the cave as well.
Okay.
Nothing with power, like power boats or
Yeah.
anything with motor, you cannot come inside of this cave. Only swimming or paddling, kayaking.
Yeah. Maybe.
If you wanna go to the front of the boat to make the picture to get the hole on
Yeah,
top,
maybe.
there's no problem,
We
okay?
should do that.
One leg is there. Não deu? Lê. Consegue ver, Letícia?
Wait.